I'm going to go to our Renton Technical College website. I'm going to go to our advanced manufacturing. We recently changed. It used to be called Aerospace and Industrial Productions Technology, but we are now called Manufacturing and Fabrications Technology. And that is not so much of a recent change, but it changed recently. So our manufacturing and fabrication technologies, students can enroll anytime, fall, winter, or spring. We have a variety of different programs. We have a certificate program, which students can complete in 3 quarters, or our Associate of Applied Science, which students can complete in 6 quarters. So our website here has just a bountiful amount of information regarding when to enroll, a little bit about the program, as well as career information, like, with the medium salary out of this, how to gain employment. Some of our admission requirements. So, we do ask students to take the AccuPlacer, which is our math placement test. And we would like students to be in a math 065 with a grade of 2.0 or higher, as well as if they have the next gen. So these are certain tests that students can take in our testing center so that they can get into our program. So to our manufacturing and fabrications technology. It also has a little bit of information about tuition, financial aid, scholarships. We have quite a few scholarships available for students. And again, if students wanted to see actually, I didn't want to go there. I want to go back here to course information, because course information will actually show you guys what kind of courses you are taking. And again, for our associate's degree all the way down to our our certificate, all the way to our AS degree. So lots of classes that students take. But this is a really good website that will just show you all of that. And then we have a cool little video as well about our advanced manufacturing. So I don't know how many minutes it is. I think what I'll do, I'll go ahead and I'll play it so you guys can just see it. And let's see if you guys can see anything that interests you here. So, all right, thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger.
You need to turn on the sound, Eva.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. All right. All right. I don't know how I turn on the sound. Okay, and so you guys cannot hear it at all? You guys cannot hear it at all?
No.
No. Okay. I'll send you the link to the to the video, because I don't know how to do the sound from my computer to the other. So I have lots of technology issues today as well. And I apologize. We've been talking all day. Kelly and I were both at an outreach event all day from Kelly 7:30 in the morning all the way till about 2. So I apologize about the soreness in my voice. But I just want to let you guys know we do have the advanced manufacturing. We have the manufacturing and fabrications technology. It's an amazing program at Renton Technical College. Again, very affordable. We have financial aid. Most students, if they're going to be coming into the fall, will start applying in around April time. And then right now is financial aid application deadlines are due. I also wanted to show you guys, we have another little tiny video that I wanted to show you all, but no, can't put this panel. Oh, there we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, everybody. So I have this presentation to kind of just show you a little bit about Renton Technical College and just a little bit more about ourselves. So Renton Technical College, we're one of the 34 community college and technical colleges in the state of Washington. We are located in the Renton Highlands. We have a great diversity on campus. very, very diverse. Again, we are one of the 34 technical community colleges here in Washington. Some things that set us apart are just our affordable tuition, smaller class sizes. If you guys ever have the opportunity to come and tour, which I will invite you guys all to our open house, which is going to be November 15th from 4:30 to 6:30, you guys will be able to see that the classes, the size classes that we have are pretty small, about 20 or so students per class. So it's almost feels like a private college. 51% of our bachelor's graduate transfer from community college or technical college. We have a very high completion rate. And as soon as our students are done with the program, they're pretty much hired. Usually around the their last quarter, we're partnering with job placement to get them hired or them doing some sort of internship. So pretty awesome. A lot of our instructors are also teach in the industry, so you have those connections, and they also have those connections. So it's awesome. We have 7 different pathways. The one that we're talking about today falls under our advanced manufacturing, but we also have business management, where we have entrepreneurship, our culinary. We're very known for our culinary and baking, our health and human services, our transportation technology. We have we partner with Ford Asset as well, our information technology, and our college and career pathway. So lots of different ones. Today we're looking at advanced manufacturing. In that one, you're going to see the manufacturing and fabrications technology, which used to be called aerospace. We also have our band instrument repair technology. We're one of the only ones this side of the Mississippi, the west side of the Mississippi, to have band instrument repair. We have commercial building engineering, commercial refrigeration, electrical plant engineering design, land surveying, industrial engineering, field surveying, machining, manufacturing, mechanical, mechatronics, property maintenance, and welding. And the really cool thing about being in the manufacturing and fabrication technologies is you actually get to dabble a little bit with some of the other ones in this whole field. So you get to do a little bit of welding. So it's pretty awesome watching our students in manufacturing and fabrication, like also taking like some of the machining, some of the welding. So it's pretty cool. You get a lot of cross-sectional classes. It's very easy to apply for admissions at Renton Technical College and getting into our program. The first thing you got to do is apply. Once you apply, we're going to connect you with an entry advisor. We're going to connect you with Shannon Matson, our dean. Right now is the time to apply for financial aid. If you haven't done so, please apply. Add Renton Technical College on there as well so that we can get your information. It's really, really helpful. I know that there's a lot of financial aid workshops around town. So please, if you need help, we can also help you at Renton Technical College. Then you would also take whatever placement tests you need to take, and then we will walk through the registration process with you, and we'll get you connected to your first set of classes. And everything is pretty much mapped out. So it's pretty great. Again, like I said, we're here to help. We're here to help you connect. And I know I talk pretty fast, so I apologize. And at this time, I'm going to stop sharing my presentation, and I'm going to see if there are any questions. Let me just figure out how to stop sharing my screen. Oh, here we go. Yes, so sorry about that, you guys. I'm pretty fast. I'm a fast talker. I've been talking fast all day. And so again, like I said, Renton Technical College, we're located in the Renton Highlands. We have a great partnership with our industry, and like I said, great faculty, great teachers. Everyone is super, super knowledgeable in their field and ready to connect you guys in the job field. Yeah, but if there's any questions, I'd love to answer them.